everyone, and welcome back to Tiwi Traveller. Today, we're starting our journey in the vibrant and tropical city of Darwin, the gateway to the incredible top end of Australia. But we're not staying here for long, because we're about to embark on an adventure to a truly special place, the Tiwi Islands. Darwin is a city full of life, with stunning sunsets, amazing markets, and a unique blend of cultures. It's the perfect place to base yourself before heading out to explore the surrounding beauty of the Northern Territory. But for our next destination, we're going to a little further off the beaten path, about 80 kilometres north of Darwin to be exact. We're going to the Tiwi Islands. Now, getting to the Tiwi Islands is part of the adventure. You have two fantastic options, and it really depends on what kind of experience you're looking for. The first option is a scenic ferry ride with SeaLink Northern Territory. The ferry departs from Cullen Bay in Darwin and takes you on a beautiful 2.5-hour journey across the Arafura Sea to Warramianga on Bathurst Island. It's a great way to take in the views, feel the sea breeze, and truly unwind as you make your way to the islands. It's a fantastic option if you prefer a leisurely pace. But if you're short on time or just love the thrill of flying, your second option is a charter flight. Companies like Hardy Aviation or Fly Tiwi offer quick and scenic flights from Darwin International Airport. In just about 20 minutes, you'll be soaring over the turquoise waters and landing on one of the island's airstrips. From there, you'll get a breathtaking aerial view of the island's lush landscape and winding estuaries. No matter which way you choose to travel, remember that the Tiwi Islands are Aboriginal land and a permit is required to visit. If you're going with a tour operator, they'll usually arrange this for you, so it's a hassle-free process. The islands are famous for their unique art, vibrant culture, and passionate love for Aussie rules football. It's a place where you can immerse yourself in a truly special and welcoming community. Before we head off on our Tiwi adventure, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more amazing journeys. You're watching Tiwi Traveller. See you on the sunny Tiwi Islands.